Welcome. This is Algebra 2. This is the review for Chapter 5. Here we have exercise 22, where we have this cubic polynomial, x to the third plus 9x squared minus 37x minus 165, and it needs to divide by x minus 5. The exercise tells us that we need to use synthetic division, and so that means we're going to use 5 as the number. The reason is that 5 is the number that would make x minus 5 0. So it's the 0 that's associated with the factor. This is why synthetic division is just a little bit backwards compared to long division. So 5 is the number we're going to use. We'll go ahead and write the coefficients from the problem. 1, 9, negative 37, negative 165. All right, let's get to work. First of all, the 1 drops down, so it's 1. Then, as it moves over to the next column, it's multiplied by 5. 1 times 5 is, well, it's 5. And then the 5 is added to the 9, and that's how we end up with 14. As we move forward, 14 multiplies by 5. That creates 70, and then those numbers are added, making 33. Then 5 is multiplied by 33, and that makes 165. And when that's added to the negative 165 that we had put there from the constant term, it makes 0. All right. Now, here we have the parts of our answer. The number parts in front, these are the quotient. And the 0 part on the end, that's the remainder. Now, the last number is always the remainder. In this case, the remainder happens to be 0. That means x minus 5 divides evenly into the cubic. But if the number wasn't 0, that number would still be the remainder. So when we divide, we have our answer. X squared plus 14x plus 33. Because there's no remainder, we don't need to write that on the side. I guess I could write it. It's plus 0 over x minus 5, but I'm not putting that in the box because, really, adding 0, nobody does that. So, boom. The number parts of our quotient create the coefficients of our answer, and we're done. Thank you for watching.